finally here. Hi, how is everyone doing today? So today is the day that I have been waiting for quite a long time. My new iMac Pro just got delivered today and I'm super excited. Seriously, you guys, I could not sleep at all last night because I knew they were going to deliver today. And here it is. Ta-da! Yay! I'm a big fan of Apple, so every time I get a new product from them, I always get a little too excited. So I actually already have a MacBook Pro that I got years ago, but then recently I am really into video and photo editing, and it's just so hard to do it on there because I barely have any storage and it takes a long time to process. So then I should have been doing a lot of research, and one day I just decided to get it online and just order it as an early birthday gift for myself. So yeah, I don't know, I just had an idea of sharing with you guys my new iMac Pro unboxing video. So enough with the intro, let's just get right into it. Oh God. I'm gonna turn it around. Oh wow. It's actually pretty heavy. Alright, I'm gonna need some help to bring it on the counter, but I will be back, okay? Here she is! Beautiful! I can't wait to open it up and see everything inside. So let's do it! So it has a little strip, a little security strip right here that you can pull it and open it. So let me just do it right now. Oh my goodness, this is like the most satisfying thing you can ever experience in your life, especially if you are someone like me who love electronics. Alrighty. Actually, very well packaging. It's just heavy too. God. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. So it has a little secret hidden compartment on the top. Let's see what it is inside. This is the magic mount too. Oh, it looks so nice and sleek. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And this is the ooh, yay. Wow. This is the keyboard. I love the space gray color. I think it looks nicer than the silver color on the standard iMac, and it also has the numeric keypad. Oh, it's beautiful. Close. Oh, it's just the this is the magic trackpad. I ordered the trackpad because I use it a lot on my MacBook Pro and I just love it. Oh, so cute. Okay. What is it? Oh, this is like a cleaning cloth, I think. Yeah, it is. Oh, so cute. And Apple has provided some of the instructional documents right here. Okay, let me put this on the side. And this is the lightning cable. It is for my mouse and trackpad. Oh wow, this is the power cable for the actual iMac. Wow, very sturdy. Impressive. Okay, how do I do this? I'm gonna have to actually move this aside a little bit. Rid of this. Hooray! Ooh, okay, that was heavy. And here she is. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Okay. Are you ready? I am ready. Yay! Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's so nice. Oh, I love this color. Beautiful. This is so fun. I literally can do this all day. Ta-da! Oh my goodness! So for this iMac Pro, I did upgrade my memory to from 32GB to 64GB, and I also upgraded the storage from 1TB to 2TB. I think my MacBook Pro only has like 256GB, so I make sure I did not run out of storage this time. Well, I hope I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this and it's gonna make my work so much easier. So, alright, so that's it for the iMac Pro unboxing video today. I hope you guys enjoy it and thank you for watching.